Hello there! Today's video is a little bit more special, I think, because I am actually outside. As you can see, in my town I have nature pretty close by, so to get here I just walked like 30 minutes, and I kind of wanted to film a video outside at the golden hour preferably. It's almost golden hour right now. I started a bit earlier, but I'm in this beautiful place. I'm outside in nature and I love it. And I will do a golden hour inspired makeup look. It's going to be warm toned with gold and sparkles and hopefully pretty. So let's get into it. I have a little makeup kit with me and hopefully I didn't forget to pack anything. Today's look is going to be foundation free. I want my base to be as natural as possible and glowy and all the good things. I'm going to start with a little bit of cream bronzer. I have this one from Fenty. It's the matchstix in the shade Latte. And I have SPF on my face. I wouldn't be in the sun without SPF, so yeah. And I have this Wet n Wild P50 brush. This is actually the second video that I'm filming today. If you've watched, I think it's my previous one, I'm not sure in what order I'm going to upload these ones. The soft feminine look that I posted probably already. And it's funny because in that video I was saying that I wasn't gonna film 2 videos today because I want to take things slow, and which I was. I really did slow down a bit today, but at the same time, even in this slower pace I was able to achieve so much. I did a lot of things. I've checked a lot of things on my to-do list, fortunately, and now I'm here in nature and it's lovely. So it was a very beautiful day. By the way, I'm using the Sheglam cream blush. I love doing a cream base lately. And the brush that I'm using is a Juvia's Place 001. I think this is so good for liquid blushes because it's not too dense. It kind of spreads it evenly while looking natural. And I forgot to blend the bronzer underneath my nose, of course. I'm gonna move on and do some concealing. I have the Kind and Free concealer by Rimmel and I have 2 shades. Just gonna mix them both. I think I should take advantage of summer and do this more often. Actually, I'm gonna use some on my lids as well, as I don't have another eyeshadow primer with me. I think there are houses nearby or something because I can hear music. These people are partying and they're partying hard. I'm gonna use a brush by Real Techniques to blend in this concealer. I love being in nature. I think it kind of keeps me grounded. I was talking about being present in my other video that I filmed this morning, and nature definitely helps. I definitely should take advantage of nature being so accessible to me right now. This is not the last video you'll see of me doing my makeup outside. Specifically, I think in this place. Maybe I will find different ones, but this is nice. It's not hard to reach, and it's also pretty quiet except the party. I'm using the strobing stick by Maybelline, by the way. I'm doing an all cream base, except for the fact that I will powder my under eyes. I have my little travel size jar of powder, which is a mixture between my RCMA no color powder and another one that's not even mine. It was my friend's. Anyway, I'm setting my under eyes. I'm using an eyeshadow blending brush. I'm actually gonna set a little bit more today because the sun is shining on my face and it makes me really glowy. I'm gonna set around my mouth as well, this area above my lips so I don't look sweaty. And I'm gonna take a little bit more powder and I will set my lids. For my eye makeup, I have the Nude Beige palette with me by the Balm, because it has nudes and also these pretty golds that I'm gonna go for. First, I'm going to need a transition shade. I'm just gonna take the shade Bold, which is not so bold, it's just a boring brown. I'm using a Morphe M507. And I will be applying this starting from the outer corner and then kind of blending it into my crease. The base is laid down. I'm gonna move on to the golds, and I'm gonna start with the shade Built, which is a lighter gold. I'm gonna use that in the inner portion of my lid, so I'm starting from the outer corner and blending it both on my top and lower lid, but kind of in a inner portion. And I'm using a flat brush. It's from Morphe and it has no number. It's from a brush set that I bought like maybe, I think it was 2018. And then in the center of my lid, I'm just gonna turn my brush around and use the shade Breathtaking, which is a darker gold. And I'm gonna apply it here in between the light gold and the transition shade. And I'm gonna blend the edges with my first brush. And since I have it here and I've been using it as a mirror the entire video, I'm going to top everything with a Diamond Bomb by Fenty. This is glitter and it looks so lovely in the sun. I'm just using my finger to apply it. And actually I think I'm gonna apply just a tiny bit of that on my face as well, topping my highlighter. I'm gonna do a bit of a wing to define my lash line. I have the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil in the shade Smooth Walnut here, which is a dark brown. And I'm gonna apply it right in the outer corner here and doing the beginning of a wing, which I'm gonna extend with an angle brush. I'm gonna do little flicks of my brush to create a faded eyeliner. I just have to thicken it a little bit at the lower part. I couldn't remember the word. I am gonna finish off the eyes with mascara, but you know, I'm curling my lashes first. I'm gonna tilt my lash curler to get a really tight curl, and I will be using the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. I should have brought my brown mascara. I think it would have worked a little better with this look. Even though I love this one, it's one of my favorites. But brown would have been a little bit softer. I'm gonna continue with my lips. I have Vaseline on for moisturizing purposes. I'm gonna line them first. I have the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. And I'm gonna finish off with this little sample gloss that I have. It's from Sephora Collection. It's the gloss in the shade 120. I like that it's gold and it fits every time I do a gold look. And it looks so pretty in the sunlight. I finished up my makeup. The sun is kind of setting, so it's just in time. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos where I film outside. I will probably do them nonetheless because I loved this experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having an amazing day and I will see you next time. Bye!